Hello, welcome back, my dear children. Are you safe at your home? Okay, very good. Today we are going to do the text activity 11 from page number 132. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Listen to me. Activity 11. Read the following sentence from the wooden cup. I am making a wooden cup, answered Robertino. What idea do you get about the action word make? Is the action complete or going on? Discuss in groups and write your findings here. What do you find here? Yes, very good. The action is not completed. Here the action is going on at the time of speaking. In such situations, the ing form of the verb is used along with am, is, are. This is the form of present continuous tense. Okay, my dears, now let's study about present continuous tense. Actions going on at the time of speaking are represented by this tense, and also it denotes an action which may take place in the near future. Okay, the structure of the present continuous tense is subject plus am or is or are plus verb plus ing form. Okay, for example, my brother is leaving for Delhi tomorrow and she is cleaning the floor now. When we use present continuous tense, we have to remember some points. When the subject is singular, that is he, she, it, Ramu, Sita, etc., the structure of the sentence is subject plus is plus ing form of verb. When the subject is plural, that is you, we, they, Anu and Manu, we have to use the structure subject plus are plus ing form of verb. Okay. When the subject is I, we use only am with the I. That is subject plus am plus ing form of verb. Okay, my dears. For example, the teacher is teaching English inside the class. They are playing outside. I am writing English notes. Okay. Students, now you listen to activity A. Read the following passage and identify the actions going on at the present time. John lives in Mumbai. He is working in a restaurant. He works 6 days a week. After work, he plays soccer or baseball with his sons. He tries to play every day, but sometimes he cannot. John's wife works too. She is working as a teacher. Their children are studying in her school. So she is very happy. Listen. Activity B. Complete the table with the sentences from the passage given above. One has done for you. Actions that are continuing. The second column, actions that happen regularly. Actions that are continuing. He is working in a restaurant. Then what will you write the next? Yes, very good. She is working as a teacher. Then another one. Their children are studying in her school. Okay, what about the actions that happen regularly? One is here. He works 6 days a week. Next one. John lives in Mumbai. Then next one. He plays soccer or baseball. Then the another one, he tries to play every day. Next one, John's wife works too. Activity 3. Think of a place where you would like to be. Close your eyes and imagine this place in a great detail. What are you doing? How is the weather? What do you see? Where are you sitting or standing? Who is with you? Now take a piece of paper and write a description of what you have just imagined. You can write the answer of the above questions here. Okay? You can start. I'm sitting on a quiet beach. Then what will you write? Yes, how is the weather? The weather is nice. Okay. What do you see? I can see people taking bath in the sea and playing in water. Then some children are selling groundnut. Then girls are flying kites. Then who is with you? My parents are also with us. They are talking about the weather. Now the sun is setting. What a beautiful sight it is. Okay, my dears, you can present it in the class. Let your friends identify the sentences in the present continuous tense. Okay, my dears, hope you understood about how to use present continuous and its structure. Okay, my dears, now it's the time to wind up today's class. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.